Sometimes you might notice, especially in a new house, that you've got a really low water pressure coming out of your sink. Most likely, it's going to be a very simple fix. Given it's a new house, there tends to be a lot of trash and dirt that gets in the lines and gets clogged in what we call an aerator, or a little filter cartridge that's located on this faucet. So in order to get this flow coming out with a higher water pressure, we're going to want to clean that aerator out to bring it up to speed. The aerator cartridge on these faucets is located at the very end, and it comes off by taking a pair of pliers and screwing it to the left. But before you do that, you're going to want to make sure you have something to cover up the cartridge so you don't scratch it, and then remove it. Now that we've got a protective covering on the top of the aerator, and we've got the pliers hooked up, we want to loosen the aerator. Now it's time to clean the aerator cartridge out since we've got it off of the fixture. You can do this in a few ways. You can use a needle and go back through the holes like this to clear out the clogs, or you can blow on it, or you can simply run the water in reverse through the cartridge to blow out any debris that may be stuck inside. Now that we have a clean cartridge, it's time to put it back on and see what our water pressure looks like. You want to tighten it up as tight as you can by hand and put your cover back on it and give it one more tight turn. Now let's test the water pressure. Much better. Problem solved.